Have you ever looked at those incredible image generators like Midjourney or Blue Willow and wished for a flawless face swap? Well, today's your lucky day. I'll be your guide to perfect face swaps with Blue Willow, nailing it right from the get-go. Just look at some of these images and see how seamless is the face swaps. Welcome to AI My Lifestyle channel, home of artificial intelligence tutorials. If you want to stay up to date with the latest tools, hit that subscribe button. So let's jump right in. Blue Willow and Discord are like two peas in a pod. Can't have one without the other. So the first thing I did was sign up for Discord. If you're already part of the Discord community and want to follow along, just log in. Next, I visited the Blue Willow website and clicked on the Join the Beta button. This sends me to Discord with an invite to the Blue Willow server. I accepted the invite, had to jump through a few hoops. I then created a new private Discord server and named it. Now might be a good time to note that everything we are doing in this video are 100% free. At least 100% free for now. With that set, I click on the Blue Willow server. I locate the Blue Willow bot in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, click Add Server, select my newly created server, and then authorized it. Next, I headed back to my server and checked the Blue Willow bot is in my private channel. Let's also bring in the Insight Face Swap bot. I copied the link, which I will provide in the video description below, and pasted it into the chat. Click on the link. When the bot requested an invite to my channel, I authorized it. With that done, I should see two bots sitting in the top right corner of my channel. With the setup done, I was ready to create. I generated images with the /imagine command. If I didn't love an image, I simply clicked regenerate until I found one I adored. When I found my perfect image, I upscaled it using the U-series buttons. The next step was to load up some faces and assign each an ID. Did you know you can save up to 10 faces at a time? I just typed in /save ID and dropped in a photo. No need for any photo prep. The image face swap bot handled all of that. Once I loaded all the faces, I used the /listed command to check out my lineup. Then came the fun part. I select a face with the /setID command, right-clicked on my upscaled image, selected app, then in Swapper, and let the AI work its magic. And there it was. Simple as that. If I wanted to swap faces, I repeated the /setID command, chose a new face, right-clicked the image, selected app, then in Swapper. And bam, another perfect face swap. But here's a bonus tip. You can swap faces without using Blue Willow generated images. I just used the /swapped command with my chosen face ID, dropped in an image, and waited for the magic to happen. And, another perfect face swap. You can use this to swap face from one photograph to another, and even on semi-realistic or anime images. This is just mind-blowing stuff. There you have it, folks. Now you can face swap like a pro, too. If you enjoy this video, I would really appreciate if you click like and subscribe. It would really help me out with the algorithm. See you in the next tutorial.